How to solve WhatsApp end-to-end encryption. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for click for share your app WhatsApp, or click here and write WhatsApp. Go to force stop and click OK, and go to storage and click just clear cache. Just click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off mobile data and turn on, and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on, and you can restart your phone. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.